Home renovation is a highly competitive industry, and with so many contractors vying for the same jobs, it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd. That's why contractors need to embrace web content marketing to get ahead and stay ahead. Your website is your digital storefront, and it's often the first impression potential clients have of your business. So, having a professional, well-designed website that showcases your work is crucial. But it's not enough to just have a website. You need to be creating valuable content that answers the questions your potential clients have. This could be blog posts that answer common questions about home renovations or tutorials on DIY projects. By creating this content, you position yourself as an expert in the industry, and potential clients will be more likely to trust you with their home renovations. Social media is also a powerful tool in the home renovation industry. By posting photos and videos of your work on platforms like Instagram and Facebook, you can showcase your skills and build a following of potential clients. But it's not just about getting new clients. It's also about keeping existing clients. By creating valuable content and engaging with your followers on social media, you can build a relationship with your clients that goes beyond just one project. In today's digital age, web content marketing is essential, so don't get left behind. Embrace web content marketing and watch your business thrive.